Welcome back, Jbrick fans. It's Caswitz for Jbrick.com. We are on challenge number 9 for the Jbrick challenge, all the way up to Pesach, Passover 2020. Today we have build aircrafts, airplane, helicopter, rocket, spaceship, glider, and I made a drone. Not too complicated. It's a 4x6 plate with another 4x6 plate on top. You guys are going to see it's pretty simple. I put 4 2x4 or 2x2 slopes in there, 1, 2, 3, 4, and I used a couple of plate hinges, and that will bring these guys out. We throw another 4x6 plate on top, put some green lights in the front, so you know that's the front, red lights in the back, and then I used this spout for the legs for the bottom. And there we go. We got 4 of them there, and they all spin. Yay! Here we are. I hope you like this. Hashtag Jbrick Challenge. Check us out on Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, YouTube/Jbrick. Obviously, you're here already. And we'll see you next time. Happy building.